Students, in this video we have to learn about the combination of capacitors. So firstly we have to understand the series combination. So definition, what is the series combination? When the second plate of previous capacitor is connected to the first plate of next capacitor, then this is called the series combination. We will understand clearly by this diagram. This is first plate of first capacitor, this is second plate. For second capacitor, this is first plate, this is second plate. For third capacitor, this is first plate and this is second plate. Okay, so for this capacitor, this is previous capacitor, and for this capacitor, this is next capacitor. So second plate of first capacitor or previous capacitor is connected to the first plate of next capacitor. Here next capacitor is second capacitor, and now here second plate of third capacitor, second plate of second capacitor is connected to the first plate of third capacitor, and we can connect the second plate of third capacitor to the first plate of next capacitor. And because we have only three capacitors, so we will discuss about the three capacitors. So the last plate, this is the last capacitor, and this is the second capacitor, the second plate of last capacitor. So second plate of last capacitor is connected to the negative terminal of the battery, and the first plate of first capacitor is connected to the positive terminal of the battery. Okay, and between first plate of first capacitor and last second plate of last capacitor, here voltage is applied, potential is applied. So let in this diagram, applied potential is V, electric potential is here capital V. Okay, now when actually in this diagram plus Q charge is given to the first plate of first capacitor, so this charge will be distributed uniformly over the surface of this plate. That's why on the inner surface of this plate positive charge will be there. Due to the induction in this plate of this capacitor, negative charge will be induced, and on the outer surface of this capacitor, this plate will be positive charge. By the induction will be positive charge will be induced. This positive charge will go to the first plate of second capacitor. That's why, and this charge will be distributed over the surface. So on the inner surface here positive charge will be there. This positive charge from where? This positive charge comes from the outer surface of the second plate. Okay. Okay. Now by the induction here negative charge will be induced, and on the outer surface positive charge will be there. This positive charge will go to the first plate of third capacitor. So here positive charge will be there, and by the induction here negative charge will be there, and on the outer surface of the third capacitor is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. That's why here positive charge was induced there. This positive charge is neutralized by the electrons from the negative terminal of the battery. Okay, this is the combination. So in this diagram, let here plus Q charge is applied. So here will be minus Q charge and magnitude same. Okay, this minus Q charge is charge on the inner surface. Okay, the outer surface of this plate will be same charge will be induced, but this charge will be positive. So the charge, this positive charge will equal to the minus negative charge, but this positive charge will be brought to this charge. Okay, that's why here will be plus charge equal minus charge. Here will be equal and magnitude same, and here magnitude same but sign opposite. Okay, so this is the diagram. Now, because the distance of this capacitor from this point is less and the distance of this capacitor from this point is more than that of distance, okay, of this, that's why by the distance, on increasing the distance, potential decreases. So the potential between two plates of first capacitor will be greater than the potential of this capacitor. Okay, here conclusion is that the potential decreases with the distance. Okay, potential is decreases with the distance. So the potential, let this point is connecting point of this this capacitor and this is the connecting point for second and third. So the potential difference between this point and this will be V1, and the potential difference of this point and this will be V2, and the potential difference between this point and this will be V3. So the potential will be different for each capacitors, but charge does not change and charge goes in same amount. Okay, so here potential is distributed. So the quantity or the variable which is distributed, we have to find that one. So here potential is distributed, so we have to find the equivalent potential between this point and this between A point and point B. So potential will be, and this potential is equal to V. So here this applied potential must be equal to the sum of the potential of each capacitors. So the potential of first capacitor is V1, potential of second capacitor is V2, potential on third capacitor is V3. So the equivalent potential equal V. Okay, now we have to find the value of V1, V2 and V3. Okay, you know C equal Q upon V. This is the formula of capacitance. Okay, from this formula, V1 will be equal Q upon V1. Okay, and V2 will be equal Q upon V3, and sorry, here V, okay, C here C1 V1, here C2 V2, and here C3 will be equal Q upon V3. Okay, we have to find the value of V1. So here V1 will be equal Q upon C1, and V2 will be equal Q upon C2, and V3 will be Q upon C3. Okay, this is equation first. On putting the value of V1, V2 and V3 in equation first, we get the value of V1 Q upon C1 plus V2 Q upon C2 plus V3 Q upon C3, or V equal Q upon 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3, or V upon Q equal 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3. Okay, this value we know that C equal Q upon V, that's why V upon Q will be 1 upon C. So Q upon V will be 1 upon C. So let this is equation second. Then on putting the value of Q upon V upon Q, sorry. So this will be V upon Q equal 1 upon C. On putting the value of V upon Q in second equation, it will be 1 upon C equal 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3. This is the equivalent capacitance of the series combination. Okay, this is the formula. This is the equivalent potential, equivalent capacitance of the series combination of three capacitors. Okay, if in the series combination n capacitors are connected, then the equation will be 1 upon C will be 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3 and plus 1 upon Cn. This will be the required formula for the series combination of n capacitors. Okay, thank you.